Move to Florida, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Hmm. Y'all see that? I'm scared.